The river rose, and danger followed. A mother ran, but the jungle was unforgiving. Then came a yellow chick, small but fearless. It heard the baby's cry and dove into the flood. Through raging water, snapping jaws, and towering trees, carried the baby to safety. Then it climbed high above the jungle, set the trap, and faced the beast. The trap snapped. The jungle grew quiet. The baby was safe. The mother wept with joy, and the little chick just smiled and disappeared into the leaves.